Everybody, let's make a self-playing snake game. So, hi, welcome back. If this is your first time, thanks for joining me. We're going to create a self-playing snake game in Python where the snake eats apples. So we gave it a little bit of an idea about what we wanted. Let's see what kind of code we get with the prompt that we put in. I'm gonna save this. I'll just save this as self-playing snake game. And let's see what happens. It ran, but it had some errors. So we will have to tell it no module named curse. So we will try pip install curses. That's not going to be it. We'll have to ask ChatGPT what we need to install. So curses was not the correct one, as we can see here. I believe we're going to need Windows curses. Yep, import curses, pip install Windows curses. So we'll just put that in down here and see what that comes up with. This looks a lot more promising, and the download looks successful. So let's try it again. And apparently it ran, but we didn't see anything. So let's just let ChatGPT know that we want to be able to see the game. Okay, so it's going to draw out the head and the body and the apple, but no implementation here. So let's ask ChatGPT to give us some implementation of the code. All the code, please. So now ChatGPT seems to be giving us the full code. We got the whole board marked out in X and Y. And we'll see what we get. Okay, I didn't see anything that time. Nope, didn't see it anyway. So we'll ask it to use Pygame. This is what I used to create the original snake game. So the other one was using curses. Let's just go back to what we know. Didn't see that. Looks like we ran into this whenever we're making the original snake game as well. We can fast forward through some of this until we get to the better code that we are looking for. All right, and here we go. Snake snake's doing what it's supposed to be doing, it looks like. Going around eating the apples. Eating the apples. Wonderful. It hit itself, and the game ended. How do you like them apples? Well, it took a few iterations, but we finally got what we were looking for. You'll see at the end here, we'll have a snake that's playing the game correctly and not hitting the walls, not hitting itself. If it does either of those, the game is over and the program shuts down. If you like what you saw, if you want to learn how to code, make some games, make some apps, make anything that you can dream of, we can make a virtual one. Check out my other videos. Leave me some comments, likes, follows, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button below. First 20 subscribers get 2024. Don't have to worry about paying for anything. If you want to build anything, I'm here 24/7. I got you.